Hi guys, it's Cierra. If you're curious to how I got this look, please stay tuned and keep watching. So right now I'm using my NYX lip liner pencil in the color black brown. I use lip liner because I feel like it has a better application than eyeliner or an eyebrow pencil, and it just goes on a lot smoother. So right now I'm taking my e.l.f. spoolie brush and I'm blending in that lip liner into my eyebrow. And if you guys are interested in a separate eyebrow tutorial, since I don't really give you a full one here, then leave a comment below and I'll make that video for you guys. So now I'm taking my NYX primer because I definitely forgot to do it before I put on my eyebrows. Well, did my eyebrows. So I'm just rubbing that into my whole entire face because you need to be moisturized, y'all. Can't be out here looking like a ghost. So now I'm taking my concealer brush from the beauty supply store and my Makeup Forever HD concealer, and I'm lining under my eyes with that. That way it can be super on fleek, because y'all can't, you can't be out here looking a hot mess with your eyebrows not done. So after I'm done lining the bottom part of my eyebrow, I tend to do the middle and then I go to do above the eyebrow. I know some people don't conceal the top of their eyebrows, but I just really feel like it gives me a cleaner look personally. And I definitely put the concealer in the middle because I'm not a fan of looking like a bird. Some people, they be looking like a bird when they don't do that, so I gotta make sure I don't look like I'm flying anywhere. Now I'm taking my dingy old beauty blender, it still works. I gotta get a new one, but this one's gonna get the job done. And I'm blending in my concealer underneath my eyebrows and over top. And now I'm taking my Makeup Forever HD concealer and I'm putting it all over my eyelids to prep myself for eyeshadow. And I'm blending with my hand because I feel like sometimes that's just the easiest thing to do. And then I'll take my beauty blender after and make sure everything is even. So now I'm taking this contour palette that I got from Five Below. I use it a lot, I love it. And I'm taking the darkest contour shade and I'm putting it on my eyelids, well, in the crease in my eyelid. And I'm packing it there with another e.l.f. eyeshadow brush that I got. After that's done, I'm taking another e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and I'm using my BH Cosmetics, and I'm using that orange color right there. And I'm gonna put that on my eye, I don't really even know what you call it, really. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But as you see, I'm putting it on my eye. And now I'm taking the color above that, a lighter orange color. And you can't really see it in the video, but it's really glittery and it was so pretty, you guys. So I wanted to just try to do something really cute. Then I'm taking that light tan color and I'm putting it on my, I guess you call it your tear ducts. I don't really know, but I'm putting it right there too. Now I'm taking that brown color and I'm putting it like in the middle of the oranges and the lighter color just to blend it in a little bit more. And I'm not a makeup artist, so I really don't know all these terms, so bear with me guys, please. So now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation. I love, love, love this foundation. And my e.l.f. foundation brush, and I'm shaking it. Shake what your mama gave you. And I put some on my hand, and I'm basically just blending that all into my skin. For some reason, it looks really orange on the camera, but it's actually really not in person. But I also do feel like since it's winter, I did get a little bit lighter, so I might need to get a lighter shade, but for now this works. So now I'm taking my Makeup Forever HD Concealer again, and I'm putting that under my eyes because now it is time to highlight, baby. Yes! Now I'm putting some over top of my lip, and I'm going to put some concealer on the bridge of my nose, and after that I'm going to put some on my forehead. I make a little upside down triangle and then I put it on my chin. Then I'm going to take my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and I'm going to spray my beauty blender, and also my beauty blender is damp, so make sure you remember to dampen it because it makes it a lot easier to blend. And yes, I am beating my face, y'all. Look at that. Now I'm taking my LA Girl banana powder and I'm going to set my face with it. I personally love this stuff and it's not expensive at all. I put it underneath of my eyes, I put it over top of my lip, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and on my chin. And I forgot my brush, so I was yelling to get it. I was in the bathroom, so I really couldn't move. And also, I'm personally not a fan of baking. I feel like it makes me look ashy, just me personally. So I just put it on and then right after I swipe it off, just enough so I won't be shiny. And I'm taking my e.l.f., I don't know what this brush is called, and I just know it's good for swiping that powder off your face. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to use that shade that I'm pointing to. And I'm going to use my finger because I really don't have a brush to put it on with, so I kind of just use my finger and put it where I need to put it at. And guys, I was going for a more natural face because this is a date night tutorial, so I was going to keep it more simple, you know, not too much, but just enough. So now I'm taking a different beauty blender and I'm going to blend out my concealer. I personally like to use a different one because I just feel like it makes it look more seamless, and I do not like mixing my light concealer with my dark concealer. Now I'm taking that banana powder and I'm going to put it underneath of where I just contoured, and this is just to give me a more defined and chiseled look. Now I'm taking that Five Below palette that I showed you earlier, and I'm taking the contour shade and I'm putting that on my cheekbones, and after that I take the bronzer and I put that along there just so it won't look so brown. I can get a little bit more color up in my face. And I love this stuff because it's like a more natural orangey tone rather than the dark brown in the contour. So now I'm also taking that same contour shade in the powder, and I'm gonna contour my nose, and I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. I feel like it's easier for me to do that. And now I'm taking this sample little highlighter thing that I got from Sephora. I really don't know what it's called. It's a liquid illuminator, but I love it. And I dip a brush in there and I kind of just put that along my face for the parts where I really want to pop when the flash is on, you know. Highlight gotta be popping, gotta blind people. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter thing that I got. It has 4 different shades, and I took the gold shade, and I took my little highlighter brush that I have, and I put it along my cheeks and my nose and everything else where you just want to highlight and you want to make pop. You can really highlight anything you want to. I took it upon myself to go off camera and do my eyeliner and lashes. It was actually very dark in the room, but the lighting looked better like this, so I really couldn't see what I was doing. But if you guys want a video of me doing my eyeliner and lashes, I will do that for you guys. And I'm taking that first orangey shade and putting it under my lash line, and I did get some dust in my eyes, so you're gonna see me make this crazy looking face, but oh well, everybody's been there. And I'm taking this lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. It was on sale for $1, but I really liked it, and I was about to go out to eat, so I'm not about to put on no dark lipstick and messed it up because I do eat like a man, so and now I'm spraying that setting spray all over my face. I think I'm running out, so it was really hard for me to get it on, but it's okay, it lasted. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, comment, subscribe, and tune into my next video. Thank you guys. To everybody, I had fun.